To transfer money from a vanilla gift card to Cash App, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you have to add the gift card to your Cash App account. Open Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Banking tab, which is represented by a building icon. Click on Linked Accounts and then select Add Card. Enter the gift card details including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Verify that the information is correct and submit it. Once the card is linked, you can transfer the funds to your Cash App balance. Go to the Banking tab again and click on Add Cash. Select the vanilla gift card as the payment method and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The funds should be available in your Cash App balance immediately. Now you can use the funds in your Cash App balance to send money to friends, pay bills, or transfer the money to your bank account. To transfer the funds to your bank account, go to the Banking tab and click on Cash Out. Select the bank account you want to transfer the funds to and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. The funds should be available in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. It is essential to note that you can only transfer funds from a vanilla gift card to Cash App if the card is a Visa or MasterCard gift card. Also, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device to avoid any issues during the transfer process. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from a vanilla gift card to Cash App and use the funds as needed. Always review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct before confirming the transfer.